and you can use that to get 15% off, which will bring down the cost of the bracelet to
one eternity later.
$143.65.
Love how I can't even calculate quick maths in my head and I'm yet studying an accounting degree.
Boom. Roasted.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and quick first impressions review on the new Daniel Wellington Classic Bracelet in the shade Rose Gold. I got the bracelet in the Rose Gold and I'll just show you how everything looks. In their signature cardboard black box, you slip it out of that little thingy, and then, sorry for my poor choice of words. And then you've got their sturdy box, and this is the standard packaging, so this isn't the limited edition packaging, but I believe the first 500 orders you do get the limited edition packaging. Don't quote me on that, but I'll leave any information in the down bar below. So just taking it out of the box, this is what it looks like so far. I got the size medium for the bracelet because I have a pretty thick wrist, and I will measure it for you guys using this tape measure that my little sisters actually made themselves because I guess I have a lot of free time. So let me just quickly measure and I'll give you the circumference of my wrist. So my wrist sits between 17 centimeters, and for y'all Americans, let me just quickly do a centimeters to inch because even though I spent 6 months living in America, I still don't know my measurements. Just under 7 inches. So that is the circumference of my wrist, and here's a gaze of my naked wrist so you can see what we're working with. This is what the bracelet looks like. New classic bracelet is worn by Taylor Hill. It's got the gorgeous rose gold detailing with the white on both sides, and then the engraving of Daniel Wellington, and it's in a sort of half open bracelet so you can slip your wrist into it. Obviously it's not malleable, it's not flexible, it's just made out of the metal, and you just kind of have to slip it in the opening there. So this is what it looks like on my left wrist. First impression of it is, first of all, I'm a huge fan of rose gold. Rose gold and white make the perfect combination. Next to silver, rose gold is the second most worn jewelry by me. Love how delicate and elegant it looks, especially with the half open bracelet. It's one of those things I feel like you can layer with their watches as well. I'm not going to put it on with a watch just so you can see how it looks like on its own with the bracelet, but it's definitely a piece that you can layer with other things, and it's just very nice, simple, sleek, classic as the name suggests bracelet. And I'm sorry about the glasses glare. I'm not wearing my contacts and I have to put on my glasses so I can read on my phone.
Okay, so I know there's going to be one annoying voice in the back, aka that voice being me saying, why are you not wearing your glasses properly on your face? And the answer to that is because of this fugly mess. So that is a glare. Goodbye and have a nice day.
The bracelet circumference, so the one that I got is in the size medium, and that's 160 millimeters. So that's 16 centimeters in the size medium, and I have a 17 centimeter wrist. So if you're wondering if you're gonna get the medium and if it's too large, you can use me as an example. And it doesn't completely fit the whole way through, but it latches on sort of like that, if you can see. The material is double plated stainless steel, 316L and enamel. I'm not sure what that means, but that's material. With the smaller sized bracelet that comes in 15 centimeters or 150 millimeters. So the important first impression question that I asked like in my other watch video was, would I actually buy this for myself? And honestly, as I said in my previous video, I wouldn't buy this full price. There are so many discount codes floating around. I've got one. You don't even have to use mine, you can use someone else's. And also, just an FYI, if I didn't put it at the start of this video is not sponsored at all. I did get this watch sent to me, but I'm not being paid in any way whatsoever to make a video on it or express my opinions regarding the bracelet. So that's that. And I also don't make a commission off the discount code, so that's completely just for you guys to get a discount on whatever you want to buy. So yeah, I would definitely buy the bracelet using the discount code, not full price, because it's there and it's available. Why would you not want to use a discount code? right? So I really love how it looks and how sleek it is. It's unlike any other bracelet I own. I really like how it's got the engraving in the brand. Daniel Wellington is a well-known, reputable brand, and I love the white and the rose gold. So that is my 2 cents on the new Daniel Wellington Classic Bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you found this video helpful in any way, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video.